Welcome back to Disabled and Prepping. Today, I got a little something from my post office box that was sent from Die Bullfrog 79, also known as Uncle Al. He sent me some charcloth for my fire kit, and I'm very grateful for it because the only place I could go make anything like that would be at my friend's house or the park, using the park community grills. So, and I haven't been able to get to either of them places. So, this will be added to my fire kit. Thank you, Uncle Al. It is greatly appreciated and it looks really good. Really nicely done. So, this is just going to be a little quick video. Just thanking Uncle Al for the charcloth. This is used to start fires for anybody that doesn't know. You take a little piece of this, you can either use flint and steel or you can use any other lighting material. It's just to start transfer fire to a certain place, or like I said, flint and steel. And I have flint and steel and I didn't have any charcloth to go with it, so that will definitely be going into my fire kit. So, alrighty, thank you so much, Uncle Al. It is greatly appreciated. Not sure when this is going to go up, but I did get it on the day you said it was going to be there. The day after, on the 5th, it was July 5th. So, alright, everybody, have a great day. May God bless you to overflowing, and may He keep each and every one of you, your friends and family, safe. Bye for now.